materials for filter 1 were pebbles, rocks, sand, cotton, gauze, and coffee filters. The water that we poured in mimicked a river in Kenya with a pH of 9.66. The reason that we did this is because a ton of kids in Kenya go to this river to collect their water and bring it back to their families instead of spending their days at school getting a good education. And the water that they bring back isn't even good quality, and it makes their families very sick. One of our first ideas was a smaller version of these filters inside a water bottle. Instead, we decided to go with just the filters, layering the smaller objects below and bigger objects on top. After a little while, we went to check on our newly filtered water, and you can see the difference in coloration between the muddy water and the new filtered water. Next step was to take a pH test, and we measured the pH and it was 6.00. The ideal pH is 7.00, meaning our filter worked better than we thought, but this water still wasn't drinkable. Our filter 2 had cotton, gauze, pebbles, saran wrap, sand, rice, and charcoal. Charcoal is a natural filter, and it removes toxins from the water, which is why we added it to this filter. Here's how it looked. We poured in the same muddy 9.66 starting pH water and waited for it to filter down. We took a pH test. It was 7.50, which is really good, but still not 100%. Everybody in our class wanted to smell it, and we agreed that it smelled like Fruit Loops. Weird. So far, filter 2 is beating filter 1, but we hadn't even done the third one yet. This is what our third filter looked like, with rice, charcoal, rocks, coiled wire, a balled up KN95 mask, and saran wrap. We added our pH tablet and waited for the results. We measured it and noticed that the pH was at a 6. Just like the first one, our filter worked a little bit too well and was on the opposite side of the spectrum. This means that our second filter won with a pH of 7.5. If we could go back, we would measure more than just pH, like iron, hardness, and the lead levels as well. We're super happy with the results. Thanks for watching.